Hey guys, today I'm going to change the save battery in a Game Boy cartridge, and to do this you need two things really, a game bit and a save battery. If you don't have a game bit, a lot of sellers who sell the save batteries will sell like a game bit and a couple of batteries. I picked these up on eBay. I'll drop a search link down below, but you can pick these up anywhere, Amazon, AliExpress, if you don't mind waiting a month. And the easiest thing to do when you're doing these, add a little bit of solder just to help it flow. I should pop that out. This is a great fix to try, I think, if you've never soldered before. You don't have to worry about true hole components. It just gives you an idea of when solder melts, that kind of thing. Now there is one last thing. If you want to check how you went, just pop your cartridge back together and test it in your Game Boy. There is one last thing which you may come across. Is a different type of Game Boy game. When you open it, you have this. These are 2025s. These are 2016s. Now you can stick a 2025, and I always do, into these, no problem. It fits, the game will close. It's a bigger battery, some more storage. If you open one of these and you have 2025, it's fine, put it in, it works just as well. Okay guys, thanks for watching.